We are honored to have road safety experts from the FIA Foundation, Japan, Malaysia, Spain, and Thailand. We will share valuable insight on navigating unfamiliar terrain, adapting to different driving environments, and gaining technical knowledge.
Well, most of the road safety program was conducted by Jeff, was very interesting, and also the Spain club was there, and we are just trying to pick up something from there whether you are putting into practice in our country.
Being overseas, especially travelers, we're not so sure about the road condition and also the rules and the regulation. Why we actually wanted to come here to also learn more about this.
I really recommend for those people who want to experience driving, go and drive in like other countries as well to feel the difference of like the road cultures in different countries.
I would also like to encourage all of you to provide us with feedback through our AAS website so that we can respond to you. Thank you very much. Thank you for joining us this afternoon. And I'd like to thank especially all our overseas guests. Thank you.